Look at them tires.
Big tires.
They are so big.
Big tires. I got some big tires. 54s coming down the road. I got the hammer down, hear my truck roar. Tires so loud, of people saying good Lord. Good tires. You can hear me from miles away. In the mud holes where I stay. Come and play, but some things are required. Is you gotta have a big truck and big tires. Look out, it's the monster truck. Revving up to get the crowd pumped. These big tires getting caked up. Pulling off the line, making deep ruts. We take this serious, this ain't a game. This truck's gone wild, man, it's insane. Stacks through the hood, blowing flames. Slinging rooster tails as high as airplanes. We getting loose, we're a crazy gang. Trucks lined up like a crazy train. This is what we do, there ain't no stopping us. Driving over cars in our big trucks. It's now or never, this sky's the limit. Jack 'em up is how we live it. If you don't feel it and you wanna ask why, just something about a big truck and big tires. I got some big tires, 54s coming down the road. I got to hear it now, hear my truck roar. Tires so loud, of people saying good Lord. Good tires. You can hear me from miles away. In the mud holes where I stay. Come and play, but some things are required. Is you gotta have a big truck and big tires. Call up Rocky Ridge. Tell them I need me a monster lid for my super swampers, yeah they boggers. Tearing up the woods just like a logger. I'm climbing rocks straight up to the top. I'll make you so scared you jump out your socks. I'm always ready, it's balls to the wall. Sometimes there's slips and close calls, but it's fun and that's what it's all about. Mud bogs and wildin' out. Riding down the dirt roads to find a spot. Switching gears and being fully locked. It's what it is and what I desire. My Chevrolet can do an all-nighter. Yeah, it's a big truck. Damn right. With what? With big tires. I got some big tires. 54s coming down the road. I got to hear it now, hear my truck roar. Tires so loud, of people saying good Lord. Good tires. You can hear me from miles away. In the mud holes where I stay. Come and play, but some things are required. Is you gotta have a big truck and big tires. Big tires coming down the road. I'm on the way to a truck show. Now I'm on the scene and all eyes on me. Big tires on a truck that's real clean. I'm big time country stuntin', yeah I'm bumpin'. Let me tell you something, this pretty ass blonde walks on up and says,
"Excuse me, but can I ride in your truck?"
I said, hell yeah girl, climb on up, now it's time to ride. It's party time, we riding high, it's Southern pride. A great time to shine and you to be mine. With white tees, with mud stains, raising hell, doing our thing. So drop the chain and hook it on up to my big truck with big tires. I got some big tires, 54s coming down the road. I got to hear it now, hear my truck roar. Tires so loud, of people saying good Lord. Good tires. You can hear me from miles away. In the mud holes where I stay. Come and play, but some things are required. Is you gotta have a big truck and big tires. 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 Big tires.